Arrive in style with this Dodge 2016 Challenger RT Scat Pack. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 6 speakers, AM/FM radio, Sirius XM, Media Hub, SD, USB, O ports, radio data system, radio, Uconnect 8.4, Sirius XM satellite radio and Uconnect access. If you are looking for a solid pre-owned car, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact our dealership.